In this video, I'll show you how to cancel subscriptions on the Bank of America app with an easy step-by-step guide. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, open the Bank of America app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look for the Pay and Transfer option on the main screen and tap on it. On the next page, scroll until you find the Activity section. From there, scroll down a bit more and tap on More Activity. This will show you additional details related to your account activity, including automatic payments and subscriptions. Now, look for the section that displays your automatic payments. Tap on the subscription or payment you want to cancel. When you open it, you'll see the payment details along with an option to cancel or stop the automatic payment. Go ahead and select the Cancel option and confirm when prompted. Once confirmed, that subscription will no longer be able to charge your Bank of America account automatically. That's all it takes to cancel subscriptions on the Bank of America app, helping you keep better control over your recurring payments and manage your finances more easily. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.